Everybody, everybody, everybody move.
Do you hear how crispy it is? What's interesting about the beatbox culture is the quality of your inward case snare can somehow determine how much experience of a beatboxer you are. It is one of the most used sounds in beatboxing and it will continue to be no matter how much advanced beatboxing will evolve to.
I'm the liberal kid.
Before I do this tutorial, there are a few different ways to do the inward case snare. Alright, but this is the standard default way we teach all our students, so please listen closely. To do this sound, I want you to put your tongue up like this. Next, I want you to breathe in the letter K. Take note of the friction between your tongue and your teeth and pull it back hard. Okay, I see you, but like, try harder. Harder. As hard as you can till you can feel that friction. I know this will take a while, so if you haven't got it yet, do pause this video and try as many times as possible. This sound requires a lot of muscle memory. The more you do it, the easier it will become. Some pro tip. Shout out to Justin from Beatbox International. If you have trouble finding the sweet spot, what you can try is to pronounce the letters CL, 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 but inwards, cl. Once you get that snarey sound down, I want you to strike it once as hard as you can. Okay, nice. Now let's try X10 with the inward case snare. Okay, now let's try with a lot more conviction and a lot more power. Okay, good. Now let's move on to X-Cam. Okay, good. Now let's move on to X-Cam. Copy after me. Okay, good. In patterns, the inward case snare will be represented by the capital letter K, and the outward case snare will be represented by the small letter k. We have also included one simple pattern down below for you to try out and practice with. Once again, if you have any troubles with the inward case snare, feel free to click on the button below. I wish you all the best in your journey here with the 555 Beatbox Academy Online Beatbox Manual. Hush! We are rising. 555.